Oh, gosh. Somebody is probably not going to appreciate that one.
Oh, yogurt everywhere. Plain. Yogurt?
Yeah.
Yum. Here, I'll clean it up. There we go.
Oh, there was a wipe in the mouth on the sleeve. Oh. You are a goof.
Yeah. You're fine.
This is probably not going to be good. Oh, no! Done? Look at your face.
Your buddy. Are you getting it?
Look in the mirror and see what your face looks like now, bud.
Yogurt. Salty. Taste it.
Oops, it's
Yeah, close.
you sent him home like that?
Okay. You trying to bite it open? Careful.
Don't choke on that.
Oop. Take it out. There we go.
We're dripping yogurt all over our shirt.
Oops.
Yeah, be careful you didn't choke on that thing. Spit it out.
Hey. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's squishy now. Peanuts. You done yogurting? Oh, crack, Grandma.
That's
Hey, we
what
gotta
I
clean
said.
up. Yeah. Oops.
We gotta change your pants and clean you up.